Welcome to the ultimate Layflat challenge. In the world of irrigation, it's all about saving time and labour. There's no space for mistakes. Today, we'll find out who's the best. On this side, we have a contestant who'll be using the new Rivulis H6500, the latest innovation in Layflat technology. On this side, we have the second contestant that uses a standard Layflat. The key differences to watch out for are 1, weight per roll, 2, pre-installed outlets, and 3, no leaks at the takeoffs. Right, let's go. It already looks like a bit of a mismatch. Can someone give him a hand? And the winner of the first stage is, you guessed it, Rivulis H6500. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Look, take a look at this. The new Rivulis Quick Fit connector. Literally just one click and it's ready. The first Layflat of its kind. Now, for the moment of truth. Start the pump. The final stage, let it flow. And the clear winner of the ultimate Layflat challenge is Rivulis with its H6500. You just witnessed how easy it is to save time and labour with Rivulis H6500. And don't forget that it's made from polyethylene, so it's fully recyclable.